Today is April 10th, 2014. What are you doing? What are you trying to do? What is that?
Screwdriver.
And what are you going to do with the screwdriver? What are you trying to do?
Open the apple with the screwdriver.
Open the applesauce pouch with the screwdriver. Wow. Do you think that's going to work? Okay. Are you going to work? You don't really want to use your teeth though, Seth. It's not going to open that way. You could try. Are you smart? Are you a genius? Seth. Cat got your tongue? Are you smart? Seth, how old are you?
Two.
Not under two.
I'm under two.
That's well rehearsed. So, That's how you get into restaurants and stuff. Free. Okay. Under two. Who's a stinker? Are you a stinker? Oh, you look at the smell. What are you making?
Sauce.
You're making your own
Pouch.
making your own pouch. Applesauce. What else? What's another kind of pouch? Sweet.
Pouch.
Yeah. What else can you put in the pouch? What other kind of fruit or vegetable?
After sauce, sweet potato.
Sweet potato. What? Anything else? Can you put broccoli in there?
Ready in there.
Chicken?
Chicken.
Fish?
Fish. No. Fish.
Oh, that you knew. All right. How'd you get so smart? Are you a genius? Seth? All right. Let's be humble. Are you humble? Can you say I'm humble?
I'm humble.
You say good Shabbos?
Geschätz.
Nice to meet you.
Geschätz.
Good Shabbos.
Geschätz.
Sei gesund.
Say the Sabbath.
Who do you say good Shabbos to? The
Rabbi.
Nice.
Nice.
What does the rabbi give you? When you go up to the bima, what does the rabbi give you? From his pocket. Who's your rabbi? Do you know the rabbi's name? Rabbi Stang.
Mama saying the book.
Right, reads the book. Rabbi reads the book.
I read the book.
The sitter. Oh, you gotta fix that's good. What are you doing with the screwdriver?
Around the screwdriver.
Very good. Can you sing? What would you like to sing right now? We don't want to break that, honey. Let's be careful. Thursday, Friday, happy days. Saturday. Hello? Hey, Seth? Yum, yum. You eat so much, you eat the plastic. No. It's a plastic world. Shame. We used to carry glass as a kid. Everybody's afraid of everything today.
Open the top.
What do you say?
Open the top.
What do you say?
Please.
Please.
Open the top.
Okay, hold on. Here I am.
Open the top.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir.
Open the top.
I'm trying.
I trying.
You making fun of me?
This.
What?